This look came out so pretty. Face flawless, man. This eyeshadow is so pretty. Period. My skin, like I got dermaplane today, y'all, and my skin, y'all, this foundation, everything looks so smooth. And like, look, I'm showing y'all up close and personal. Let me get a little closer so y'all can see. So y'all see the skin? Y'all see all the texture, all the bumps on my skin. It went on so smooth though. It's fall time. Fall time is near. It's near. Ah. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I don't know what is going on, but I need y'all to watch these videos. What is y'all doing? It just seems like my rating is getting low. I don't know. Let me know what y'all want me to do. Y'all want to switch it up something? Y'all want more vlogs? What is it? What do y'all want? Y'all want more lives? Y'all want laughs? Is that what it is? Little update. Like I said, I have had fevers since what, maybe 3 days ago, but I got over it. But now I can't taste or smell anything. Like if I can smell it, it has to be like close to my nose, and I can actually smell, but not. I can't even really smell it all the way. So my cousin was like, "Oh, those are the two main symptoms of COVID-19. So today, I'll have to set up an appointment to get checked, but I'm pretty sure they'll test me and tell me whether I have it or not, and then you still have to wait it out, you know, 14 days until the pass is over. So actually, that's what I've been doing. Smokey, bitch, I'm here, okay? That's what I'm giving you. But anyways, I know y'all don't want to hear me keep talking. If y'all want to see how cheap this look, then keep on watching. Eyes are primed and ready to go. I'm going to reach into my 353 Fierce by Nature palette by Morphe, and I'm going into the 5th row, first color, and patting this right on the outer V area. And the brush that I am going to be using is my Morphe brush, my 167 brush. And I stay away from this palette. This is my favorite palette. This is the Juvia's Place Zoodle palette. I went into the first row, 3rd color, and I packed this on with a Morphe 200 brush. Right back into my Nature palette by Morphe. I am going to take 2 shades out of there, out of the 1st and 2nd row, and I am going to blend that with my Morphe 535 brush. So no, my Morphe 535. Okay, I'm clicking. So now I'm going back into each color to deepen them up. Alright, so the same brush that I'm using, I'm pretty sure it's a MAC brush. It's a MAC 212 brush. Or no, not 212. It's a MAC something brush. But it's a blending brush. And I'm going into black. And I'm going to basically smoke this out. I'm trying to map out how I want this smoky eye to look. It's basically going as a smoky liner kind of thing. So I wanted the liner to be smoky instead of really bold. Now I'm going to put my lid shade down. But first you want to pat out your base and start putting your lid shade down, because you don't want any wrinkles in your base when you set this with any kind of shadow. But y'all, I was so sold on this lid shade. Like, this is giving me so fall vibes. Like, it is so pretty, so orangey copperish. It's not even copper, it's like an orange shimmery shade with glitz in it. It's from the Jaclyn Hill Vol.II palette, y'all, and I absolutely love this color. So now what I'm doing after I apply the lid shade is I'm smoking that black up, like a liner After I smoke this up, I am going to go back into my Zulu palette and go in that first row third color, and I am adding that shade I used for my transition, and I'm smoking this in transition with the black so everything will fade together. So it's giving you this fall vibe, like my eyes are saying hello fall, I'm ready for you. So serious, like this eye is so cute. So now to make it bolder, I did take my Inglot Gel Liner number 77 with a little bit of the Duraline from Inglot as well. This is absolutely good in case your liner is getting dry. Also, a very important thing to know, when you're doing liners like this, make sure you smudge out the end like I'm doing right now so that it will fade and won't have that thing right there where it's just stuck and you try to fade it out with shadow. No, you fade it first while the liquid or the cream is not set, and then go ahead and set it with black eyeshadow. So now I'm just going back in and basically fixing things up, adding more as you will please. Now it's time for mascara and lashes, and I took these lashes from Beauty Supply. Now I prime my face off camera, and I am going in with my Anastasia 500C foundation and then my Nars Macao foundation. It's always best to put a darker foundation towards the perimeter of your face and then a lighter one inside the middle. So my favorite concealers are the Tarte Tape Shape concealers, y'all. I got 10 Sand and 10 Deep Sand, and I love to highlight light in the corners and then on the outer parts with the dark one that I have. Now with these, they do dry quick. However, I love that because the nose part, when you blend it out, it has a teeny part where, you know, it's semi-dried, but also when you blend that contour out on the sides, the nose part doesn't budge as much as you blend it out to. Listen, let me tell you something. These Tarte Tape Shape ones are bomb. And I did go ahead and use Too Faced, what's this? The 3-in-1 concealer, but the shade Sable to contour. So y'all see how my nose is? I let the concealer sit before I blend it out. I blend out the contour first so it could get dry a little bit, and then therefore it had that sharp line, but not so sharp to the point where it's like, okay, yeah, it's giving me very much stuck. It's giving me very much blended, and baby, that nose is snatched. So yeah, I'm blending this out, y'all, and now I'm setting it with Anastasia powder, and I did go ahead and set it with a little bit of Too Faced powder in the shade medium. I love these two powders. The only thing is that you can use them, but just make sure if you do use them, you're gonna have flashback, but go back in with a powder from MAC. I like the full coverage ones, and get a lighter powder in that, get a lighter color in that powder, and set it underneath your eyes or anywhere you set it, the highlight, the powder, so therefore you won't get flashback. It was so hard for me to say that. Why was it? I don't know. Anyways, yes. So I'm taking my MAC powder, and I basically, y'all know the routine. Y'all already know the routine that I do with my face. I do the same thing all the time with my face. Nothing's changed. I feel like when you start trying something new, there's some things started happening. But yeah, so I really love the dermaplane when she did my face. It feels so smooth, y'all. Oh yeah, my cousin brought me some liquor. Y'all, I couldn't taste it anyway. I couldn't taste it at all. So yeah, I went ahead and put Inglot black gel liner under my eyes. Now I'm taking this little bitty brush. Let me find it for you all real quick. The Morphe 423 brush is what I use to basically get that flat line underneath to smoke it out, and also to smudge this color, I use the E36 brush from Morphe, and y'all, perfect combination for under eye blending to get it precise. Don't use no big brush. Use these two. I'm telling you, Get the job done. You don't need no big brush to blend out your under eye. Alright, I did add blush prior to this video. I didn't show it, but I did go ahead with the OFRA Rodeo Drab Highlighter and Bronze Glow Highlighter from, what is this, Bobbi Brown. And y'all, perfect combination. I love both of those highlighters. And the blushes I did go ahead and take was from Sephora Contour Palette. As far as lips, I went ahead and took my Hank and Henry liquid lipsticks in the shade Gang Gang to line Pooky to basically fill in the whole lip, and then a little bit of 1983 to basically give me a little bit of lighter lipstick in the center. And I went ahead and added some lip gloss, which is Paige from Plouise, which is their gloss. And that is it, y'all. I hope that y'all enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.